Hi friends! Another short video is here, this time about the Bonfire Night. It's celebrated with fireworks on the 5th of November across the UK, so we went out to see the display of it in close city. We had to park the car quite far from the event because closest car parks were totally full, so you can see a little bit of the walk around. The event included fanfare, as you can see, and it was quite busy and sometimes even impossible to pass through. As you can see, there were different rides and people were enjoying it after all with the COVID. We had to get closer to the river because the show was there. So this is me getting there, and here we are. That's the place where the display was taken. I'm sorry that I couldn't keep the original sound here, but I'm sure I would get copyright strike if I kept that, so hopefully you would enjoy it anyway. If you are not local as me, maybe you would like to know a little bit more about the Bonfire Night. So it's on 5th of November, as I said before, because it's the anniversary of failed attempts to blow up the Houses of Parliament in London. It's known as Gunpowder Plot, and the attempt was to assassinate King James I and his government in the 17th century. This all was because of religion. England was a Protestant country and the plotters were Catholic. They wanted England to be Catholic again and thought they could force change if they killed King James I and his ministers. So now all across the country, the 5th of November is celebrated with bonfires, fireworks and sparkles. Guys, I really hope that you do like fireworks, because this next 2 minutes approximately will be full of the footage for the fireworks. So I hope you don't mind, but I just want to keep it as a memory of that night. So I tried to edit that, but I still couldn't keep some of the parts away. And this was the end of the fireworks. And after that we went back to the car park, but on the way we made a stop in a fast food restaurant because I wanted to eat something. And guys, oh my god, I was so disappointed. Like, this is it, we were waiting there for food and we were waiting for 45 minutes. Oh my god, guys, I don't recommend this restaurant. Look at my face here. I was so disappointed. I wanted to go home. I didn't want to wait for the food. I just wanted to go away. And after like 45 minutes that we were waiting for my order, I got it. We went home in the car and look at that. Like, it was just a small order. I don't understand what take 45 minutes about that. But whatever. Guys, this is the end of the video. I would like to thank you for watching this, and I hope that you enjoyed that, and you will see me next time in another video.